In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slides on a phone. If you need to build, polish, or present a deck while you're away from your computer, the mobile app makes it straightforward and fast. Start by opening the Google Slides app on your phone. Right on the home screen, you'll see a list of your recent presentations. This is your quick snapshot of what you've been working on lately. It's helpful for jumping back into a project without digging through folders, and the most recent files appear at the top so you can find them quickly. To create something new, look for the plus icon in the bottom right corner and tap it. This brings up the option to create a new presentation. You can choose a template if you want a head start with coordinated layouts and colors, or select a blank presentation to build everything from scratch. If you pick a template, you'll see a gallery of designs. Browse through, tap the one you like, and the app will load it for you. Give it a moment to finish loading so all the elements are ready to edit. Once your presentation is open, you can switch between slides using the thumbnails along the bottom of the screen. Tap any slide to bring it into focus. This makes it easy to navigate as you revise your content. To edit text on a slide, tap the text box you want to change, then double tap inside it to start typing. Your keyboard will appear, and you can replace placeholder text or add new lines. When you need to format your text, use the options available to adjust the font size, move the text box to a new position, and apply bold, italics, or underline. You can also change the text color to make headings stand out or to match your brand. These formatting tools help keep your slides readable and consistent. Working with images is just as simple. Tap an image to select it, then drag to move it around the slide. You can resize it and adjust its position so it lines up with your layout. This is handy for fine-tuning photos, logos, or icons. When you're ready to present, tap the play icon to start. You can present directly on your device for a quick review, present to a meeting for live collaboration, or present to a scheduled meeting if it's already on your calendar. With that, you can create, edit, and present slides right from your phone using Google Slides.